Good morning, children. I hope you are fit and fine at home by the grace of the God. And today we are going to start with lesson number 3, a new dimension in industries. Children, we are doing lesson number 3, a new dimension in industry, and that is in of with geography. It is new dimension in industry, page number 55. Everyone, remove your book and keep in front of you. Now, manufacturing means to convert raw materials into finished goods or useful goods. The place where manufacturing of goods takes place is called industry. Nowadays, both handmade and machine made goods are available in the market. Number of industries in the world have increased due to industrial revolution. In the world, industrial revolution started from Europe. That means manufacturing, when you manufacture, make something useful good, that is called industries. And we have both, that is what? Small scale industries and large scale industries. Raw material means kacha mal, which the industries they take to make the finished good, useful good. So, and this industrial revolution started first in Europe. Significance of manufacturing means what is the use? Manufacturing industries provide what? Employment to many workers. Means many workers get job. Second, many products means finishing products of industries are export to foreign countries. We send it. Industries also contribute in GDP of country. GDP means growing what? Economic growth. Industrial product growing. Many machines used in agriculture and produced by industries. Fifth point, foreign direct investment also attract due to industries. Sixth point, industries provide processed food and consumer goods to the people. These are the 6 points. Let us see the content. Classification of industries. Industries are classified on the basis of size, raw materials, ownership, and the nature of products. Classify of industries on the basis of size. Can you see the picture there? They have shown the size of the industries. So first we are going to see small scale industries. Small place, small money, small businessman. It requires capital investment on small scale. It employs less number of workers. That means workers are less. The production of goods is on small scale. Sugar industries, fan industries, leather industries are some of the examples of small scale industries. Next come to the large scale industry. In this industry there is a large investment of capital. Capital means money. There are large number of workers. The production of good is on a large scale. Iron and steel industries. Which is the example of large scale? Iron and steel industries, cement industries, automobile industries. Automobile means which make vehicles, automobiles are some of the examples of large scale industries. Take page number 56. We have classification of industries on the basis of raw material. It is on page number 56. First is agro-based industry. You must know what is agro-based. Those industries which get their raw material from agriculture are called agro-based industries. For example, textile industries where clothes are made, sugar industries where sugar is made from sugarcane, and tea industries, vegetable oil industry. Second is forest based industries. Those industries which get their raw materials from forest are called forest based industries. For example, paper and furniture industries. Next is metallic industries. Those industries which use minerals as their raw material are known as metallic industries. Iron and steel industries, aluminium industries, and automobile industries are some of the important metallic where metals are made, metallic industries. Next, coming to the fourth point is chemical industries. Those industries which use various chemicals as a raw material are known as chemical industries. For example, soap, fertilizer, drugs. Drugs means medicines, industry, etc. Now, animal based industries. Those industries which use animal product, the product of animals as raw material, are called animal based industries. For example, dairy and meat industries. Dairy means milk product, ghee, paneer, milk product. and meat industries. Next, coming to the sixth one is marine based industries. These industries are based on sea and ocean product. For example, fish industry, pearl industries, pearl in the earring and necklace, pearl industries, etc. Next, coming to the sixth point, classification of industries on the basis of ownership. Who is owning? Public sector industries. It is run by the government. The main aim of this industry is welfare of people, लोगों की भलाई. For example, ONGC oil company, they remove petrols and diesels. Private sector industry, it is run by individual or group of individual. The main aim is profit money. For example, Tata. Tata is also the company private. Joint secretary industry. It is run by government, state as well as private person. For example, Bharat Aluminium Company. Next is classification of industries on the basis of the product, that is basic industry, consumer industry. Basic industries whose products are used as raw material by other industries are called basic industries. For example, iron and steel. And consumer means those who take. These industries where goods are directly used by consumer are called consumer industries. For example, bicycle industry, paper industry and sugar industry are consumer. We use it consumer industry.